the derivative with respect to x of tan inverse of x over 2. So first you're going to use the chain rule. X over 2 is the inside function and tan inverse is the outside functions. By the derivative of the outside function, you're going to have 1 over 1 plus, and then within here x over 2, and the quantity will be squared. And you're going to have to multiply by the derivative with respect to x of x over 2. For now, just copy the fraction part. And what you have is the derivative of x over 2, which is just 1/2 this way. So one thing that you can do is distribute the 2 here to the x and the 2 on the bottom. So it's going to be the following there for x plus, and then here it's going to be x squared over 4 multiplying this way, 1/2. Now here you see you have a 4, and here you have a 1. I'm going to write the 1 as 4 over 4 so I can factor a quarter out very easily. So it's going to look like the following in the next stage essentially. So 1 over, and I'm going to write the 4 as 4 over 4 plus, and it's going to be here x squared, and this thing will be here divided by 4, and then times a half this way. Times a half, continuing. You can factor a fourth out of the terms on the bottom there. So it's going to be now the following. 1 over, and then here's going to be 1/4. What's left within there will be then 4 plus x squared. And this whole thing is being multiplied still by 1/2. Put the 1/2 out front, and the 1/4 that you see right here, you can do keep change flip on it. So you can flip it up there as just 4 over 1 instead. So it's going to look like this, 1/2. So I'm putting this 1/2 in front. I'm flipping the 1/4 into, that same position as 1/2. So it becomes instead 4 over 1 times the remaining part, which would be just 1 over 4 plus x squared. You have a 4 in this position and a 2 in this position. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And you can place that across the top of the fraction. So it's going to be therefore 2 over 4 plus x squared. And this is the answer. So if it's been helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.